In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Photoshop in only 1 minute, so better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So as you can see, that's the file that we will be working on. We're gonna go right here to this T, then we're gonna click on it. After that, we're gonna place where we want our text to be, let's say here. Then we're gonna type what we want, let's say Attack on Titan. Then we can double click on it or hit on our keyboard Control A. Then we can change the font. Let's take this one as an example. How big it is, the color.
I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks for watching.